In the course of internet surfing, I came across this particular app, and this app is legit. It pays, because before I decided to make video about this app, I first went to Google Play Store, check the reviews, and find out that actually people are withdrawing from this app. So I decided to bring it for you people, for people looking for a way to make money online, because what I do is to show ways of making money online, and people that are stay-home moms that are looking for what to do, not only stay-home moms, or maybe you're looking for side hustle or extra way of making money. So this app is legit. You can make money from it, and you withdraw as low as $5. Once you reach the $5, that is the threshold, withdrawal threshold, you withdraw your money. And they give daily bonus every day for just coming into this app. They will just ask you any question, and this question they are going to ask you, whether if it's right or wrong, they are going to pay you for it. And also they send daily clicks, like notifications, that once you click on notification, they will still pay you for it. In case you don't know me, my name is Preshi Godwin. I do tutorials on how to make money online. Please, if today is your first day of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Do stick to the end of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for checking back again on my channel. And also don't forget to stay to the end of the video, because we're going to learn a lot on how to make money in this video. Without wasting time, let's go down to the screen so that I can introduce this app for you and show you step by step on how you're going to make money with it. And as you can see, this is home now. I already got 1.52 cents without working here. This is just for registration, and I have less than $5 to complete to withdraw my money now. So in this place now, this is daily pool. You just have to click on it. This is the free coin they do give every day. So there is no answer that is wrong or right in this place. So what you have to do is just to click on anything. They are going to award you this 0.02 to your account. So without working, your account will still be growing. You will still reach up to $5, but trust me, it's going to take you time. That is one thing there. So now they said you are about to take a survey party survey. The first few questions will check to see if you qualify. If you qualify and complete the survey, you will earn 0.02. If you don't qualify, you will be connected to another survey. So these are the things there. You have to click continue survey. Okay, how is your day going so far? We will pay you regardless of your answer. We are here for you. Okay, I'll just say very good, because my day is going good. Next, claim your 0.02. okay, it's there already. It has already added to my account, and there are other surveys here, but I won't start doing all of them because of time. So let's go to another. This is location. Let's click on location. Okay, this N 0.05 every time we send you a location based push notification. They've already allowed it there, so they'll be sending you this notification. Once you see it, you click on it, you'll be awarded 0.05. so let's go to the wallet. Let's check the wallet. Okay, fine. This is my balance now. My balance is $1.54. So that is my earning for now. So if you want to withdraw your money, you're going to put your email, re-enter your email, you cash out. Okay, look down, you will see you must earn at least $5 to cash out. So you can withdraw your money through PayPal, you can withdraw your money through Visa or Amazon gift card, or any other gift card you have. Any other gift card, you can use and withdraw your money here.
The name of this app is called Survey Party. I have to screenshot it so that when you go to Google Play Store, you won't do mistake and download a wrong app. And now I just did a pool fish survey, and I got extra cent in my wallet. And the link to register on this app is in the description below. Just click on it. It will redirect you to this app so you can register.
So thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload this kind of video, YouTube will update you. Thank you.